Dear students, you are listening the poem I Dream of Spices written by Raj Arumugham. In previous video, we completed the poem. In this video, we go to see the book back of the poem. Listen here, answer the following questions. Here given 5 questions. First one is, who is Raj? Already I told you, Raj is a little boy, like you. Just you answer the question, Raj is a little boy. You take down in your textbook or in your notes. Who is Raj? Raj is a little boy. Where did Raj's mother send him? Raj's mother sent him Muthu shop. Raj's mother sent him Muthu's shop. Who is Muthu? Muthu is the owner of a shop. What did mother ask Raj to buy? Raj's mother asked him to buy some cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger and garlic. Raj's mother asked him to buy some cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger and garlic. What did Raj buy? Raj bought sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. Dear students, in this class, your homework, these 5 questions. You must write question and answers. You should not write answers only. You must write answers with these questions. This is your homework. These 5 questions only your homework. Okay, in this class. Choose the correct answers. Mother called Raj. Second one is, mother did not ask cardamom. Raj did not buy ginger and garlic. Okay. Here, read the jumbled lines from the poem and rearrange them in order, correct order, in correct order. Here you can find 16 lines. These are irregular. You have to regularize them. First one is cinnamon, betel leaves, 5th. Just you mark this. Mark like this. 5. Second one is 6. Third one is 3. Fourth one is 1. Fifth one is 4. Sixth one is 2. Seventh one is 7. 8th one is 8. 9th one is 13. 10th one is 12. 11th one is 11. 12th one is 10. 13th 9. 14th one is 15. 15th one is 14. Last line 16. Just you write order like this. 4, 6, 3, 5, 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 15, 14, 16. Just you try to write in the order of these lines. Okay. Next one is fill in the blanks with the different words and write your own poem. Just you think yourself as a writer. You have to write the poem as I dream of spices. இப்போ you can find these poetic lines here. Just here are given some fill-ups also. First one is your title of the poem, Me and Money. My mom would say, little boy or girl. If you are boy, you should write the name of the male. If you are girl, you should write the name of female. Go to Money's. Here Money, owner of the shop, and get some tomato, brinjal, carrot, onion. Mummy asks him to buy these items. Just you go to Money's shop. And so I go to the Money's. When you go to Money's shop, singing with happiness, singing happily all the way, and you forget everything. And so I go to the Money's singing all the way, and when Money asks me what I want, when the owner of the shop, Money asks you, what do you want? Or what you want? You forget everything. Just you recite in different kinds of items. Your mummy asks you to buy tomato, brinjal, carrot, onion. But you tells to the owner of the shop, biscuit, candles, cake, wafers. Wafers is a kind of cake or bread here. What I want? I rattle off a list. Already I told you the meaning of the word rattle off. Rattle off here means recite. You can use the word tell. Okay. I rattle off a list. Biscuit, candles, cakes, wafers. And back home, my mother twists my ears out. Okay. Actually, your mummy asks you to get tomato, brinjal, carrot, onion. But you get from the Money shop biscuit, candles, cakes, wafers. After getting these different kinds of items, you go home and your mummy gets angry with you and twists your ears. Here, my mother twists my ears. Ouch. Already I told you the meaning of the word ouch. Ouch is a kind of sound that expresses pain. Okay. Dear students, you don't forget to study and write these 5 questions. These are only your homework. Okay. Bye. See you.